Open your Telegram app. Search for Adsley. Click on Start. Click on the link in the bot. Click on Sign Up. Click on the green switch to sign up as a publisher. Input your name and email and password. Click on Register as a publisher. Go to your email to check for the verification link sent. Click on the link. Your account is now created, but you need to add your Telegram channel. Click on Add your first channel. Click on Start the bot. Go back to the website. Click on Done, Continue. Paste your channel link. Input what is your channel all about. Select your country and your country official language. After inputting the necessary thing, click on Check and Submit. After submitting, you will receive a advert request. Just accept, and you will start making money.